Dear authors, congratulations on having your paper accepted in the IEEE Smart Cities Conference edition 2021. My name is Sarah Paiva. I am one of the publicity co-chairs. And in this short video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can now submit the final version of your paper once it is accepted. So I'm going to share my screen now. And in the email with the acceptance of your paper, you should have received this link with the camera ready instructions. And this is the link that I'm going to follow to instruct you to follow the entire procedure. So the step one is to consider the reviewer's comments. So you prepare the revised final manuscript of your paper. Step number two is for you to go to this tool, IEEE PDF Express, so you generate a compatible PDF file. So when you click this link, you go to this account, to this page, and one of the things that you should do if you do not have an account is to create an account. To create an account, you should use the conference ID that is here in this link, enter your email, confirm it, and then choose a password. When you click submit, you will receive an email you should go to and click the activation link so the account is ready for you to use. Then you can go to the login, and I'm going to copy the conference ID here, and you should enter your email and password, and you should do login. Okay, so here now you should create a new title, and in this first step you should put the paper title. Okay, so here you should replace with the paper ID. I'm going to open here a file, which is the one that I am going to submit as a simulation. So I'm going to copy here, okay, going to copy here. Okay, so this is the file. Upload the file. So I'm going to put it here, okay, and continue. This is the file received results, so let's continue. This is validating the PDF, making the conversion. So we should wait a little. After this process is finished, you're going to receive the final PDF converted to your email, or you can also go here and download PDF. You're going to receive through email also. I'm going to open this file. Okay, so, okay, this is the file that later we will use, okay? So let's go back to these instructions. We have finished step number 2. And now we're going to step number 3. And for this step, it is related to the copyright transfer. And we should go to the EDA system, okay, and log in. Okay, so you should see your papers. You should see your papers here. And let me just move this somewhere else. Okay. Okay. So at this point, you should go to your EDAS account and check the paper title. Okay. Let's click on this link, the accepted paper. And at this point, you should go to this copyright form as here is described. Okay. Look for the entry called copyright form, and here you have it. Okay, so let's click this button here, and now let's choose IEEE copyright submission. Okay, so let's now move on through these 5 steps and let's start. Okay, so here you should confirm all this information and answer the questions. Okay, this is my article. Edit your article details if necessary. If everything is okay, you should continue. This step has to do with IEEE policies on plagiarism, so you should read this documentation and agree after you have read this information. Should press continue. Now this has to do with if you are about to sign a publication agreement, so if you are authorized to sign, so you should yes or no, and then you should answer accordingly, okay? Now you should indicate whether IEEE has permission to use video and audio recordings of your conference presentation. So you should answer as you wish. Select your employment status, okay, whatever. So, and then if there is a co-author who is not primarily employed, so you should answer accordingly regarding each step. So if everything is okay, you should confirm. Okay, so now we have, of course, to go to the end and type our name to signature, confirm. And now you can download the completed copyright agreement consent form, okay? So at this point, we should press done. And when we go here to our paper, it should be now submitted, okay? Now let's go to the camera ready instructions again. And the final step is for you to submit the final PDF, which was generated in step number 2, okay? So let's go to our paper and the final manuscript. You should go here, upload. And first, you need to define the name of the presenter, okay? So depending on the number of the authors, you should choose the one who is going to present the paper. Now, let's go again to submit this final manuscript. And now you should accept, check that the authors listed in the manuscript are the same as current list of authors. So you should confirm this. And now you should choose the file. And the file is this one, I believe, that was generated. Okay, so now we should upload the file. Okay, and the file has been uploaded. Okay, so you can see here. The copyright form is already here. A while ago, it did not refresh yet, but now you can see the copyright is here. You can see the final manuscript is here. So everything at this point should be submitted. And we have reached step number 4, which is the final step of our procedure. If you have any questions regarding this procedure along the way, you should send an email to publication co-chair Dr. Shunsing Lai through this email in case you have any doubts regarding this process. So thank you for your attention. I hope this video has helped you and looking forward to see you in September.